flower pot. I put the two flowers. Amazing, cute peel and color. Thank you for watching. Okay, hello everyone. Here I have this beautiful flowers made crochet. So I want to make one more piece of it. Let's start crocheting. I have this stem created. I started with a 6 chain and I just rolled it up the yarn, and then again I made like 6 chains to 12. Then I made the petal section. If you can see, it's 12 half crochet, 12 half crochet stitches. Now I want to make one more yellow color. So let's get started. I'll just make the petals, and it will look very beautiful. Trust me, it's gonna look very beautiful. Let's continue. What I have here, again, I'll repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then take 2 strands of yarn. 1, 2. Then again, it depends on the thickness of the yarn you want. 3, like that. If you can see, 3 I will need 7 or so I have this one, if you can see. Then I have the 6. My yarn is a little shaky, so yeah, 6, then again 7. Yeah, 7. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with the chain. Pull the loop through. And that every 2. Then every 2, like that. Done. Now leave this one and make single crochet here. 1, 2. I had to join my yarn because I have a cup there. 3. Then chain 1, chain 2. Then again slip, stitch. Then 1, 2, 3. And then let's make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch on the same one. That's it. And leave this one, slip stitch again on this one for the next petal. So if you can see, I have let me show you. If you can see, we have amazing petals, and you will need 6 of these, like this one. If you can see, 6 of these, and it's looking beautiful, really beautiful.